Hi, this is Matthew Hirvela, EDCI 570, and this right now is my project proposal. We need to meet our students where they're at, and there is nothing more important on my students' minds than the BLM movement and the protests that have been happening in the city of Detroit, like this photograph illustrates here, and around the country. My proposal is that my students, after I put them into heterogeneous groups, prepare a public service announcement that would be a video, and it would be published for a greater audience to see other than just myself and themselves. They will begin the year working remotely like most schools around here. The project will continue throughout the semester. There will be formative assessments as various checkpoints as we go along, and then the final project will be due by the final exam day. As much as possible, I want this to be constructivist and have them take ownership of the PSA. I want to try and stay out of their way, but also develop their communication, technology, and digital citizenship skills. Thank you.